President Uhuru Kenyatta ni atongoretie bũrũri gũcakaya hamwe na Tanzania kũrũmĩrĩra gĩkuũ gĩa President John Pombe Magufuli. President Uhuru atamburite Magufuli ta mũtongoria ũranyitĩte itemi inene harĩ kũrũĩrĩra ũrũmwe wa mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika irathĩro gũkũ agĩathana thikũ mũgwanja cia gũcakaya Magufuli arĩ njĩra ya kũmũtĩĩa.
And in solidarity with our brothers and sisters in the United Republic of Tanzania, the wider East African community, and the whole of Africa, who are in deep mourning following the loss of an outstanding son of Africa. Therefore, I, Uhuru Kenyatta, under the authority vested in me as the President of the Republic of Kenya, do hereby order and direct that in testimony to the high esteem in which the people of Kenya hold President John Pombe Magufuli, the Republic of Kenya will observe a 7-day period of national mourning.
Ningĩ President ni athanĩte bendera ciothe gũcurio nuthu guothe bũrũri-inĩ nginyagia wabici cia ũbarũthi, ũndũ ũrĩa ũkũrũmĩrĩrwo nginyagia rĩrĩa President Magufuli agathikwo.
And also, there is a symbol of our enduring respect for the fallen president, as well as our solemn solidarity with the people and the nation of the United Republic of Tanzania. The flag of the East African community and the flag of the Republic of Kenya shall be flown at half-mast at all public buildings and public grounds and wherever else throughout the entire territory of the Republic of Kenya and at all Kenya's diplomatic missions abroad from today, Thursday, the 18th of March, 2021, until sunset on the day of the funeral.
Gĩkuũ kĩa Magufuli kĩranĩrĩirwo nĩ mũnini wake Mama Samia Hassan Suluhu kũgerera ceceni ya television ya thirikari ya TBC.
Mheshimiwa Dr. John Pombe Joseph Magufuli ambaye amefariki kwa maradhi ya moyo katika hospitali ya Mzena jijini Dar es Salaam alipokuwa akipatiwa matibabu.
Magufuli ambĩrĩirie gũthĩnio nĩ mwĩrĩ tarĩki 6 mweri ũyũ na gĩteng'erio thibitarĩ wa Jakaya Kikwete.
Mheshimiwa Rais Magufuli alilazwa tarehe 6 Machi mwaka huu katika taasisi ya moyo ya Jakaya Kikwete kwa tatizo la mfumo wa umeme. Tatizo la moyo la mfumo wa umeme ambalo kitaalamu linajulikana kama chronic atrial fibrillation, ambalo alikuwa nalo kwa zaidi ya miaka 10.
Ũrata wa President Uhuru na Magufuli Kenyatta aũtamburĩte ta wa ariũ erĩ a hakuhĩ kuona thengia ya kĩwĩra nĩ maraceranagĩra na nginyagia rĩmwe Magufuli agĩtũmĩra President nyonici iria ciũĩkaine ta tausi.
Hawa ni ndege tausi wazuri na iko ndani ya Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Hivyo kwa heshima na taadhima naomba nichukue nafasi hii kukukabidhi rasmi zawadi hizi tausi 4, me 2 na ke 2, lakini sambamba na hiyo pia nina ujumbe maalum kutoka kwa ndugu yako Mheshimiwa Magufuli, naomba pia nikukabidhi Mheshimiwa.
Magufuli akwĩte thutha wake kwaga mũingĩ-inĩ kumagia tarĩki 26 mweri wa 2 na akwĩte arĩ na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 61. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.